Kung ikaw ay isang jet setter or mahilig mag-travel or kung gusto mo naman magkaroon ng isang Airbnb business, this project is actually a good option for you. Hello, good guys! I am Justin Lanyosa and once again, nandito na naman ako sa isang project ni SMDC kung saan isa sa mga most promising projects and pinakamagandang project na rin na ino-offer namin sa ngayon. Right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Gold City. It is a mixed-use development project of SMDC kung saan meron ditong office space and residential condominiums. This project is located just across NAIA Terminal. So, kung ikaw ay isang jet setter or mahilig mag-travel or kung gusto mo naman magkaroon ng isang Airbnb business, this project is actually a good option for you. May 15% discount tayo ulit for Gold Residences from January 2025 up to March 2025. And if maabutan mo naman yung free furnishing package ni SMDC, hopefully makahabol ka dun sa promo namin. Open up the door and say hello and let it in. It's a without balcony. This is exclusive for Phase 1. So Phase 1 natin is Towers A to C. Yung Towers A to C, wala siyang balcony na included, pero exclusive sa Towers A to C, yung facing the runway. Kung gusto niyo ng facing the airport, mas prefer kung i-offer sa inyo yung Towers A to C. Pero kung gusto niyo ng with balcony or mas malalaking size na one-bedroom units, meron tayong mga 27 square meters sa Phase 2. It's a wrap, guys. A close deal din natin sa Sir Sed and congratulations sa kanya sa pagkuha niya ng property here at Gold Residences. And of course, I want to thank God for this blessing na binigay niya sa atin. Ito yung literal talaga na another day, another condo. May natulungan na naman tayo na isang kliyente na magkaroon ng kanyang rental business investment property here in the Philippines. If interested ka magkaroon ng rental business or property investment na for lifetime ownership or pwede mo rin gawing retirement home, just send me a message and I'm willing to help you and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you very much and God bless.